Hey guys, I really don't have time to show you this. I gotta get to work, but I have to show you this because it's so cool. I'm working on adding sermons to Congregation Hub. And when I make stuff for Congregation Hub, I just make stuff for me. Like, that's the secret. Like, I am making stuff to make my job as a pastor and my job as a preacher easier. And that's my idea with this sermons. I just want a place where I can share our sermons with our people, or we can add this easily to our website that ties it all together. And I also wanted something that kind of helps me with the sermon writing process. And so I want to show you this. I have this add sermon page, and I write my sermons as a manuscript. So I'm just going to grab a random manuscript from my Obsidian vault here, and I'm going to paste it in to this. Okay. Now, it looks like it's a Luke 11:14-28, so I'll add that. But I just pasted this in, and I click generate AI suggestions, because one of the things I hate is I cannot name sermons. Like, I'm just really, really bad at it. So let me click this generate AI suggestions, and it's going to give me some suggested names and descriptions. So let's just do with this first one, and then you could edit this too. And we'll use this. All right. So speaker, date. I don't know when I did this, but it wasn't. We'll say this was months ago, but we'll put that on there. Service type, grabs the service type, series, all the series. This is actually really important, this scripture text thing, because it enables us to filter by text of scripture. And so if I look at my sermon here, it looks like Luke 11:14-28. So I will just find the book of Luke 11, and then we'll say 14-28. We'll add that. Let me grab and see, is there a YouTube file here? Yeah, let's grab the YouTube. Oop. I'm gonna copy this and paste that in here. All right, and we're gonna save it. That's not the coolest thing. That's pretty easy. Okay, the coolest thing I want to show you is this little button right here. So I like to print from a manuscript, like this, like an actual like printed page, and it's a pain in the butt to make these. Like, there's a pretty complicated process. It's always a pain for me to teach other people how to print these off, because you have to make it as a statement-sized piece of paper and then organize it. There's different apps that you can use for that, but who wants to learn that? You just click this button, and this is amazing. Okay, it downloads the file here, already set up to print. So all you have to do to print this is just a print, and then choose short side binding, okay, from the printer thing. That's it. And then you get this awesome little manuscript that you can take to the pulpit without having to worry about what kind of computer you're on. All right, you can do it from an iPad. It might not be impressive to you, but it's going to save me a bunch of time, and I'm super excited about it.